Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Do you know people that are so envious of everything that you do, or you may be that person that's secretly jealous and envious of other people's success? If that is you, you have to take an honest look at yourself and think, why are you so envious of other people's success? You have to ask for help when you need to. You can't spend your time being envious, being jealous, hating, making sure that you're doing all you can so you can undermine people and stop them from achieving what they've achieved. Success is different for everybody. What does that look like to you? You have to really ask yourself that question. Why are you so envious? Is it because you feel like you can't do better for yourself? Is it because you feel like, you were once at the same level and you haven't worked as hard as they have done? Do you feel like you don't deserve it? Do you not have the willpower? Really dig down and think, why you're so envious of other people's achievements. You have to really focus on your own lane. What are you doing for yourself? What do you want to achieve? You may just find that you're envious of other people's success and then realize that's not even what you want for yourself. Success is defined in your own terms. Don't let people define what success means to you. If you find that you're always looking over, you're always thinking, how comes that person gets paid more than I do? How comes that person gets to have a successful relationship and mine has failed? How comes that person always passes their exams? How comes everybody likes that person? You have to really think of the qualities and what that person holds that you don't have. I don't mean compare yourself, but sometimes you may not be putting as much effort into yourself. That's why you're always spending time being envious of other people. If you focus on your own lane, define what success means to you, be strong and have your own personal goals and be secure within yourself, you will never be jealous and envious of other people's success, because you know your true potential. You know what you can achieve if you set your mind to it. You know personally what you're working hard at. Sometimes you don't realize how far you've come because you're too busy focusing on what the next person has, what the next person's got. We're all built differently. Somebody may be chasing materialistic things, but you might not even realize that you're more successful than them because you've got a loving family, you've got people that care for you. Sometimes what people show you isn't the true picture. You might be envious of something that doesn't even actually exist. So pay attention to your own lane. What is it that matters to you? And if you want the same thing as that person, why not ask for help? Why not ask them how they got there? You'd be surprised at how much people are willing to share and how much value they can add to you by simply just asking. There's a difference between asking and wanting to learn and trying to find loopholes where you can bring that person down. You have to stop being envious of other people and focus on yourself. Be secure within yourself, how you look, what you're capable of, what you've got and what you're trying to achieve. We're not all striving to have the same thing, otherwise life will be boring. We all want different things and success is different in everybody's eyes. So focus on you, be secure within your relationship, be secure with what you've got, and you'll find that you will never be envious of other people around you. Do not be the green-eyed monster. Go after what you want and achieve your goals and become the best version of yourself. And if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.